Pairing your phone to a 2021-2023 Toyota Sienna is straightforward via Bluetooth, enabling hands-free calls, music streaming, and navigation. The Sienna uses Entune 3.0 or 3.0 Plus infotainment systems and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. On the Sienna's touchscreen, go to Menu, then Setup, Bluetooth, and select Add New Device. Select your phone from the list and confirm the PIN, which is usually 0000 or auto-generated. For iPhones with iOS 15 or later, enable CarPlay in Settings, General CarPlay. For Android phones with version 8.0 or later, enable Android Auto through the car's app launcher. Make sure your phone is discoverable and within 10 feet during pairing. Recent updates improve stability, so keep your system updated via the Toyota Service Connect app. The system can store up to 5 devices, but only connects to one primary phone at a time. If you experience pairing failures, first ensure your Sienna's software is up to date. Resetting both your phone and the car's Bluetooth cache can also resolve issues. If your phone isn't found, make sure it is discoverable in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Avoid interference from other Bluetooth devices during the pairing process. For older Android versions, pre-10, codec incompatibilities may cause audio quality issues. If problems persist, a visit to a Toyota dealership for diagnostics may be necessary. The upcoming 2026 software update may integrate voice assistants like Amazon Alexa for easier pairing. Adopted encryption standards like Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE 5.2, will assist in cybersecurity. According to user data, the system is rated 8.10 for usability.